The easiest 3-bean salad you've ever made. So whatever beans you have in your cabinet, remember that legumes are the food that the longest lived populations around the world all eat, and we all want to make sure we're getting them. Plenty of amino acids, dietary fiber, so much goodness in legumes. You want to have about 1 to 1.5 cups a day. So whatever I had in my cabinet, I have no salt added. Today I have navy beans, black beans, and chickpeas. You could also make them from scratch, bonus points if you can, but I like to just whip them out from my cabinet. And I'm gonna add some fresh citrus. So I've got some lime today. Just gonna pour that on top. Vitamin C found in the citrus will help the absorption of the iron found in the beans. That's really important for iron absorption. Iron is the most abundant mineral on the planet, but it's also the #1 world's most common deficiency. So you want to make sure you are combining vitamin C rich foods with your iron rich foods. Okay, so that's that. I've got a little half of a red onion, chopped, diced finely. Just some chili powder just to add some extra flavor and a little heat because we like it hot. And then cilantro. You don't have to use cilantro, but I love cilantro. That's a lot of flavor. That's it, voila. Bean salad, ready to go. Took 2 minutes. Try it, let me know what you think.